Hello, and this is Christmas with Jamie, day 9. Today we are at Jordanstown, and we haven't been here since June, but we came here in late commemoration of Charlie Cord, aka Dream Videos NI's 14th birthday. And also we're also here in commemoration for Oran, or I've forgotten his channel name. I think Irish Rail Spotter or something like that, I can't remember. But it'll be his 17th birthday on Monday. So we came here in aid for both of them, and they will be here soon. But I came here sort of an hour or 45 minutes early. But here's the level crossing. We're going to be spotting here too. And I've never actually shown this in any of my videos here. But if we look just to the left of this, you know, it's an old poster. McFarlane's pointed this out before. And if you notice very, very carefully, that's back when Jordanstown was a half-barrier crossing. It's got the keep crossing clear sign, and well, I think it's got like its marked 2 barriers or something. However, since I don't know, 2000 or 2001, this crossing got upgraded and now has full barriers and no keep crossing clear signs. But that was pretty obvious, judging if you've been alive these past 20 or so years. Anyway, see you whenever everyone else comes. Time now is 10:23 on Saturday the 9th of December 2023. This will be for your 10:36 Northern Ireland Railway service to Great Victoria Street. There it is, it's a 4000. And it's 404. Here comes the birthday boy. Haven't seen you since you were 13, man. How you doing?
Good, I'm doing good. How are you?
Yeah, I can already hear your voice getting deeper already. It's good to see you.
Officially 14.
Yep. Tell that to the camera.
I'm 14 now, guys.
Yo, let's go.
Hard to believe, actually hard to believe.
Hard to believe that.
For over a year now.
Yeah.
Today marks it.
Well, yesterday marked it.
No, today. No, I've been. Yesterday I was 18 for a year now. I've been a team for over a year.
Oh, right. Well, I don't know who marks it like that, but sure. Time now is 10:39 on Saturday the 9th of December. Saturday the 9th of December 2023. This will be for your 10:39 Northern Ireland Railway service to Whitehead.
Oisín just mentioned the group.
Is he on the train?
2 minutes ago, my alley's
Right.
Let's go and see.
You go and check. I'll stay here. All right. Oh. Do you know the number? 3012. Okay. So that's what we know to see. Unless there's something on at the back. Hopefully not.
Hi,
3021. Not 3012, 3021. Unless somehow it's at the back. Which it might not be, because I don't think 2-3 cars at once are allowed to be on this line. Unless somehow it's a rush hour service, but it's nowhere near rush hour. Rush hour's like 5 hours away. And by the time it hits there, it'll probably be dark. Because it's December, so it's gonna get dark at like 3 o'clock. I think it's probably leaving now. I think someone else has probably arrived, but we can't confirm that. McFarlane's here. Oh, and Oisín. Oh, the footbridge, yeah, apparently they're getting a footbridge here. But that won't be for a while. What's good, bro? Yes. Good to see you. Hi, Oisín. Good to see you as well. So I'll swap over this now. Do you know if anyone else is coming?
Forsyth isn't able to make it today.
No, he's fucking about with Boston Mark. No, he's too busy sleeping on his fat hours. Fucking jerking off the last floor. Oh, well.
No, I know why Forsyth's not coming.
Why?
No, it's a different. What is he? We're going to head up onto the platform.
Alright, let's go.
Let's head up onto the
is 11:06. This will be for your 11:06 Northern Ireland Railway service to Great Victoria Street. What's he doing? He's getting a photo of that 450. Yeah. Huh? Nah. This Scotland's gonna go down in again in about another 2 minutes. You're gonna be my eyes and ears, Oisín. No, because we'll have to wait for Oran, remember? Yeah, I know, I see it. It's 3,000. Now, this is 3012. We were waiting for this earlier. Oh, there's the other one. We might get a double stay. Yeah, we might get a double stay. I don't know. Might not though. Yeah, we're staying. We're staying down. What's that other one there? It's 3018.
You guys, that has the new logos on it.
Does it?
3018, yeah, it does.
3018 still has the old logo on the front.
Old on the front and new logos on the side. I see them like that.
Aye. Look at 312 though. It's still got the old logo, but it's sort of fading away.
Yeah, it does. It has the old logo. It has the old logo on the front and the old logo on the back. On the side, no, it does.
That's what I thought. Okay, now we're going up. Sorry.
Right, mate? Actually, we're not really doing mum's.
Why is he doing that?
I don't know. Anyway, that was on that subject. Barrier go down, wee woos go wee woo, and train come that way.
Yes, I think. Here, what time is it?
Second.
Okay.
11:24.
Time now is 11:34. You're waiting on your 11:36 Northern Ireland Railway service to Great Victoria Street.
Hey.
There's a Oisín Molloy.
If he's Molo, then Charlie is Charlie Cool.
Coard.
Coard, that's it. Coard.
And according to Charlie, you're Alex McFarland.
Oh my god. I named painful to hear.
What did you do?
He said, put this in the bin, sweetheart. Well, I'll drink out of it now.
Oh no!
So,
The
I'm seeing rainbows.
yes. I think one of you guys swallowed. A glass prism, and the other put a light ray down.
Something from you two. Don't visit a Middle Eastern country.
Don't swallow a triangular glass prism, and don't shine a light ray through it, because you'll be vomiting a rainbow.
Will affect you.
Probably don't do that either.
No, Alex.
Oh God, it's not a photo.
Oh Jerry.
What?
Next part, I'm only messing about, okay?
413. This is the unlucky 4000. And we're not staying down.
Here, guys.
No.
Look.
No thanks. I'd rather keep my innocence, thank you. Nah, Jordanstown's a dump. Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, nice photo.
Oh, nice photo.
You're gonna go to Belfast.
I'm going back to the crossing. Huh? You have to wait half an hour, bud. Where's Oran? Huh?
When's Oran coming?
I literally just asked that.
Anyways, we're probably going to be here for a little bit, so let's pass the time.
I wonder what they're up to.
I don't know, it looks like Charlie's about to go tackle the guy.
What guy? Oh, alright. I thought there was a guy who
No.
I'm trying to think. Wait. I don't think I've seen you since the 1st of November.
Give me a sec. Right, all I have to do is just scroll through that.
Yeah, it's been ages.
Not that. Probably has been that long.
No, it wasn't that one either.
There it is.
There it is. Yeah.
Second one. No, it's first November it was.
Yeah, first. No, wait. We like it. There's us. The lads.
Sure, nice to force that.
One of which isn't here today and won't be coming.
Nah, he's too busy jerking off the buses.
I think he's busy jerking off for the sonar.
That 822.
2475.
Fucking, he's away to Hamels.
Yeah, he's.
No.
Brewfield, no, not November on the bus.
I have memories.
That was the photo he failed to. Oh yeah, 2475. I do remember. That was a good bus.
Good one. It sounded nice.
Yep.
Smooth.
I'm still waiting for this crossing to go down. There's a dude go down here. Oh, there's a dog out of my shit behind us. If dogs can do this, why can't we? No. You're like, oh, I'm gonna have to clean that up.
No, leave it there. That's treasure. Yes, keep your treasure.
Charlie, come here, I got a surprise for you. You got your first victory royale just by throwing a pile of shit at Charlie. Oh, here, by the way, what's your opinion on the new Fortnite?
I haven't played Fortnite in a year.
I've never played Fortnite, but I hear Peter Griffin got at it.
Peter Griffin got at it and there's Lego in the game.
No, he actually looks shredded. Yeah, he looks fit.
He actually lost weight. Bro hit the gym.
Yeah, I know, but the thing is, all his fat went down his thighs.
For real.
Yeah. The OG Fortnite is still better.
I know. Wee woo, wee woo, wee woo, wee woo, wee woo.
11:39. This will be for your 11:39 to Lauren Harbour.
Yeah.
Sorry, I was going to
Yeah, go on.
What?
Hey, bro.
Well, what's this?
I don't know. I don't know.
I'm back down here.
Where is Oisín? I haven't
Oh, he's
seen.
got a photo. So he is.
404.
404.
You having a good day, mate?
Aye, all right.
Lauren Harbour.
There, Forsyth is 4.
Yeah, 404 to Lauren Harbour. I was right.
Forsyth is okay.
Here, Cave Hill is starting to clear up. Look,
It is, you can see it.
I can see the mast as
You
well.
can.
Yeah. I can also see a bunch of block of flats and stuff.
A lot of us mess about with each other, don't we?
Yeah, you mess about the most, Charlie.
I know.
This is literally you station.
Here, I'll tell you something. I'm working on it. I look by working on not being stupid, if you know what I mean.
Still no sign of him. Oran's still not here.
If anything, it'll be getting.
Boring.
No.
I'm joking.
We like him.
Of course I do. You can cut that in the video.
Yeah.
You see Oran? Who doesn't like Oran?
No one. Everyone loves him.
Matthew likes him too.
Yes,
Finally.
Oran's arrived. Everyone's here.
Everyone's here.
He took his time.
Except Forsyth. He was meant to come.
No.
He was meant to come.
He was meant to, but
But you know when there's like a 2G doing like 8 minutes? You know. And it literally passes us.
I don't pay attention to metro routes. I thought that was Eden.
You must be Oisín then?
Yes.
Hello.
You've never met before?
No.
No.
Oh, didn't know. Let's stand here because I think we're probably going to get on this.
Train is coming.
A 2-2 twin is coming.
Here, Jimmy, I was only joking. Not loud, okay?
Yeah. We're getting on and I've no idea where we're going.
We're going to a magic fairyland.
A magic fairyland. Time now is 12:06. You're waiting on your 12:06 Northern Railway service to Great Victoria Street.
No.
Oran's here too.
Photo
Photo
battle.
battle.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, Moisín.
Good evening, Chatsworth. I must say the last one to fly to Manchester has to telephone the Queen and blow raspberry. Ho 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 ho. Just imagine me saying that with a big bushy moustache.
Fighter shot battle.
This is before World War One.
74 more like.
So in today's terms, I should be dead.
Before the great German Empire started World War One.
No, I thought it was on Paris.
I wonder if there's. Oh, I wonder if there's. Huh?
Oh,
Pop in the grate.
what's 302 running
Sean, you want to pop in the grate?
I don't mind. I don't really care. Oh no! Through 2-1.
Oh, I have all the way.
And we're not going to film the next one because we're getting on. Literally all of us are. Right, boys, let's go. Yeah. Nah. Right, boys, let's get on. Now we'll see you at Belfast. Okay, we're at Mannion Place, and the DD is also here. And I don't know. I think it's probably leaving in about 3 minutes.
No, 9 minutes here. Let's go down and get a photo of the 201.
Okay.
Come on.
That's 413 leaving. Hello? Hi, just to let you know, I'm in Mannion Place. We're gonna be staying here. I might go up to Adelaide to do some bus spotting later. But we should hopefully be back by about 3:30. That's okay. Okay. No, I might just get the train back to White Abbey. Yeah. Maybe. Yeah, I heard you. I could try, but I don't think it'll be possible. I'm not sure. I'll just have to wait and see. Here, I gotta go. There's a train coming. Okay. Bye.
Fancy Enterprise won't come from here anymore.
No, it won't. That sucks. I'm gonna get a photo of it real quick and then I'll head straight back. There it is. That's it. 8209.
Why the hell's it a big cell?
Oh, I think I crashed into the World Trade Center.
Oh,
Yo,
no,
yo,
no,
yo,
no,
where's-
no.
Where's it farting?
Hey, you went down there somewhere?
Where did you find him?
Zero point five.
That tree was a massive forehead. Mathis forehead. No, Mathis. Yeah, it's how Tiny Tim says it. Yes, he says Mathis.
I see.
Because he's a little baby. Oh yeah, I see the
The
father.
Enterprise is going to start going into Grand Central next year.
Yeah, you should. Yeah, I know he said.
We knew Charlie called.
Okay, that's 9:03. Leaving. And 8209 is at the very back. Oh, 928's leaking. So, mate, that's not where B&M is. Someone just left a fucking B&M bag. Look, yo, folks, look at this train. It's
Where's it going? B&M.
B&M. It's going back to Thornton Cleveley's, guys, in Blackpool.
What are the train novels?
Look, yo, Oran, look at this train right here. It's trying to find its way back to Thornton Cleveley's in Blackpool, because that's where B&M originated. Yeah.
It's red dead, like this.
Anne has just announced that 12:52 Rivertour Street is cancelled. It's cancelled. And we're on platform 2.
You only have to wait 7 minutes for 12:59.
Oh, aye, yeah, Lisburn, because it was stuck in Rivertour Street. That sucks. I think we were going to get on it, weren't we?
We're getting on 12. Yeah, well, we're going to get on 12 too. We're going to have to get the 12 41.
Wait, can,
Oh, 41. High 41 still there. We have to wait even shorter. Only a minute now.
oh my god, you already said it.
That's an ACS.
Oh, look! The old logo's still on that side door. Never noticed it. On 302.
Well, he'll be waiting here. Why is there passengers on?
I don't know. It shouldn't. No, it shouldn't be here. It probably came from Dublin. I don't know. I've only ever seen Dublin. Oh, right. Oh, yeah, that's right. It just left.
I think that's, yeah.
Oh, wait, no, that's Oisín. Yeah. No, this one's going to platform 4. I don't see it. 3. Oh, wait, we might actually see it. Oh, this one came from London there.
We're not gonna die! No, we're gonna die. Go, wait, let's watch it.
Oh, he's dying on the pencil.
He's dead.
Why is it this? Oh, fuck.
You stay behind that man, or not, alright?
And I hate to interrupt this video, but we are going to cut the video short and we will show the next part of this video in a later date. At the end of the next part of it, I do say that we'll be back for day 10, but I don't think that is happening because day 10 I've prepared something, but instead it will be whatever day corresponds to that. Anyway, I will see you tomorrow for day 10. This will be for the unseen footage. Hang on, let me check here. Okay, so this will be for the unseen footage at Antrim. Yeah, this will be my video from around November 2023. It would be the, what date is it? The 22nd? Yeah, 22nd of November 2023. I'll have footage from there and it'll be broadcast tomorrow. So the second part of this video will have to be released on the 16th, which is exactly a week from now, because I was going to be doing stuff on the 16th, but there's strikes, so I can't do that. So we'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace out.